I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Make sure mobile data is active and the phone has charge. Open Settings, go to Network or Connections, then Hotspot and Tethering, turn on Wi-Fi hotspot. Once done, set a clear SSID and a WPA2 password so strangers can't join. Make sure to pick 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed if your PC supports it. Finally, note your hotspot name and password. You'll need them immediately to connect the PC. You now switch to the PC and decide Wi-Fi or USB. For Wi-Fi, enable the PC's wireless adapter, find the phone's SSID, enter the password, and connect. For a stable link, plug the phone to the PC with a USB cable and enable USB tethering in the phone's tethering menu. Windows will usually install a network adapter automatically. Once connected, make sure the PC uses DHCP to get an IP. If internet isn't flowing, run an IP release. You finish by securing and checking the connection. Open a browser to confirm pages load and optionally run a quick speed check. Make sure hotspot encryption remains WPA2 and monitor mobile data so you don't hit caps. Consider enabling a data warning on the phone. If something fails, first toggle the hotspot off and on, reconnect the PC, or switch to USB tethering for stability. As a key troubleshooting tip, restart both devices if drivers or DHCP leases appear stuck. This resolves most tethering issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.